Okay, we're at the 10,000 Islands National Wildlife Refuge Marsh Trail. Looks like a 2-mile trail with an observation tower. It's got pretty good public access here. There's the parking. You can do about anything here except fly a drone. So don't do it. See? Drones prohibited. Well, let's go on our marsh tour and see if we can see anything good. There's a bird. First thing I seen, great blue heron. Hi, bird. Okay, there's one critter. Oh, it's a big circle. Looks like fun.
Oh, he's taking a big look.
Mm-hmm.
Got a big camera.
What's the little drop box for? There's another bird.
I don't know. Probably donations for the park.
Could be. Oh, look, this looks like a slide. See any gators? Now there's a man with a camera. Cool. He's looking at the white bird. Or the little bird with the beak. I like your setup.
Thank you.
Pretty cool. Mine don't zoom. Okay. Kind of fun. Got a couple hunting birds out there.
Little bird there on that little island.
It's nice to have a path you can walk down in your sandals. You know it? You can see all them slides though. So there's definitely going to be a gator somewhere. It's cooler today. What did? Another bird? Oh yeah, cormorant. Them are common. Was it worth the walk?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. To the observation tower.
Yeah.
It said the tower was a 1/4 mile. I still haven't seen a gator yet. That's pretty cool looking stuff though. Nice scenery. I tried to keep a truck in here down my boring path. I got one walking speed. And it's called slow. Still looking for snakes and gators. See any gators?
Yeah, there's one like on the trail, like half mile down.
Oh my God. There's one on the trail. I knew there would be with all them slides. Oh, that must be the tower. Was that a gator? Growling?
Look at the bird out there.
Yeah, there's a few birds out there.
Oh, cool. Look at the great big ones.
Yep.
See 'em?
There's a duck.
One and one behind you.
Yep.
There's one right here.
Yeah, here's a close bird.
That's cool.
Hi, bird. He is kind of cool. There goes some pelicans flying. Oh, they must have found something to eat. Okay,
Hey, buddy, we won't bug
we'll
you.
head for our observation tower. See what we can observe. Pelicans fishing.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, they made a big splash. Oh, one's eating.
Yep, you got a fish.
Cool. Okay. So we walked a whopping quarter mile, and here's our observation tower. Incidentally, if you come down here, bring your bug spray. Unless you want to be mosquito chow.
Oh, there's that camera you can look at.
Yeah, I think you got to put quarters in them. Maybe not.
There's one up there too.
Cool. Can you see anything through it? You got to twist it for focus. You should be looking at a pelican. Does it work? You don't think so?
I didn't see anyone.
Oh, geez. I'll try the top one. Now this is cool. Wow. Here comes a pelican. The Everglades. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and kill this video. Can you see anything? No? Okay.
That's terrible.
I'm gonna see what I can see. There goes another pelican. There's no lack of pelicans over here. Guy said about a half mile down there was a gator. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. Thanks for watching our video.